Hi guys, today we're going to be making strawberry shortcake. You will need whipped cream, strawberries, pound cake, and a lemon. Okay guys, I wanted to make this recipe as easy as possible, so instead of making a homemade pound cake, I'm just going to be using 2 Betty Crocker box pound cake mix. You want to follow the instructions on the back of the box, and I did mix both boxes separately just to make sure that they will be even once I put them in the pan. Okay guys, I greased my cake pan with cooking spray and I lightly floured it just so the cake wouldn't stick. It's just the second cake that I mixed together separately to make sure they was even. So now I'm going to put my cakes in the oven on 350 for 30 minutes. Okay guys, while the cake is baking, I'm going to make the strawberry sauce. I'm going to start off with 16 ounces of strawberries, and I'm just going to add 1/4 cup of sugar and half a lemon. Okay, and I'm just gonna bring it to a boil. So now I'm going to give it a stir, put a top on it, and bring the heat down so it can simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, now I'm just going to slice some more strawberries up to go in between the layers. These are all the strawberries that I sliced. It should be more than enough. Okay guys, my strawberry sauce is ready and I'm just going to take it off the heat and put it in a blender. Okay, so now I'm just going to put them in a blender and blend it for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's well blended. Okay, so now I'm just going to put it in a bowl and sit it in the refrigerator to cool off. You do not want to put hot strawberry sauce on top of whipped cream. It will melt. Okay, here's my finished pound cake. Ignore the holes. I just used that to make sure it was done. And now I'm going to slice my pound cake in half and cut it up in smaller pieces. This is the strawberry sauce once cooled. This is the whipped cream I'm using, 2 tubs of it. And now we're going to start layering the cake. I put pieces of pound cake in first. Then I'm going to put some strawberry sauce on top of it, followed by whipped cream and the fresh strawberries. And I'm just going to keep repeating until I get to the top. And I did run out of strawberry sauce once I made it to the last layer, but it's pretty much okay because it's throughout. Plus we added in extra strawberries in for extra flavor, so it really doesn't matter. Okay guys, that's pretty much it. This is how I make my strawberry shortcake. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already.